Still scrambling for bid coverage? Upload your trades or sync from Procore. We enrich contact info and launch automated outreach. Here's what those calls sound like.
May I ask 3 basic questions?
Yeah, sure. Make it snappy, though. Gotta get to a site in a few minutes.
First, does Lone Star Masonry currently hold all required licenses for commercial masonry work in Travis County?
Yeah, all up to date. Just renewed everything back in, November, I think it was.
Second, can your company provide proof of completed projects with decorative masonry elements within the past 5 years?
Hi, Dave. This is Nova, the virtual assistant for Whiting Turner. I'm following up on the warehouse project bid package that was sent to you last Thursday. Have you had a chance to review the electrical scope?
Oh yeah, that thing. Looked through it yesterday between meetings. Distribution part looks good. Shot it over to estimating, but who knows if they've seen it yet.
Emails go out, voice calls get placed. You get qualified bidders, ready to price, on time, no chasing, no guesswork. Want to see it on your own project? DM us and we'll show you.